In this video, we're going to be talking about correlations and the psychology, guys, behind a market cycle, behind the business cycle. And we've got the Cardano chart up here. You can see we've got all these different emotions through the cycle. How does that compare against the Wall Street cheat sheet? Looks exactly the same, guys. So what level of the cycle are we in on Cardano now? Is Cardano going to put in new all-time highs in the bull run? If it does, where's it likely to go? Okay, this is an important one. We are talking about emotions. We're talking about the business cycle and how people feel during a business cycle. We're going to look at the Wall Street cheat sheet first and foremost. A lot of you would have seen this already, guys. All of these are the different emotions through a business cycle. Within crypto, a business cycle's 4 years. We've got the 4-year halving, we've got the 4-year business cycle, and that tends to correlate with macro cycles too, traditional markets. So what are the emotions? You've got hope, disbelief. You've got optimism, the start of the rally. You've got belief, thrill, euphoria. I'm a genius. We're all going to be rich. That's the top of the bull run. That's when everybody's interested. That's when everyone's interested. We're nowhere near there yet, guys. That means that we're pretty early still. Still take advantage of gains. We've got a build phase. Then you've got complacency. This is the end of the bull run. What happens here? Lower high. Complacency, anxiety, denial, panic. Then the emotions start really, really going. And look how long this period is. You've got capitulation, you've got anger, depression, disbelief. Look how long this part of the cycle is to this part of the cycle here, guys. That's the boring phase. It's designed to wash people out. So if we look at Cardano, you can see exactly the same thing. You've got disbelief, hope, optimism. You've got belief, thrill, euphoria. You've got complacency, anxiety, denial. Lunar crash here, guys, denial. Market smashes down. Everybody feels crap. Everybody's lost money. Anger, panic, depression. Look at the long phase, the one that's designed to wash you out. So we're in the depression phase at the moment. We're in the boring phase at the moment. And we're currently trading at 0.46 cents. All-time highs on Cardano, $3.11. Can it reach all-time highs again? What do we look for, guys? We look for the clock, the market clock. My market clock is going to be total 3. And I said it in my last video. I'm giving myself a window. And what I'm looking for is around an 8 to 10 week period of the market running. So what I want is this, guys. See this here? There was the previous high. We've broken the previous high. We've put in a new bull market. And what is the time before the start of this bull market to this high here? You've got 91 days. So I'm looking at scaling out during the back of the 91 days. And this is going to be my market clock. This bit here, that's going to be my market clock. How long am I going to be in the market? And we're going to look at Cardano in this instance, and we're going to see how far can Cardano run to its all-time high during that 8 to 10 week period. If it's going to do something like this, put in a new high, go up, 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 and it's all the way here during the 10-week period at 618, I would expect a big retracement. It doesn't mean we can't have a second leg up, but I'd expect a big retracement at that point. If, this is the second scenario, if we start putting in, regaining these levels quite quickly, towards the end of the 8 to 10 week period, it's showing that we're likely to put in a new all-time high. So if we are going to put in an all-time high on Cardano, where's it likely to be? And what levels am I looking at on Cardano? First one's this, guys. This is my first target, and it's not going to be all-time highs. It's going to be the 61.8% retracement. It's up here. And I'm going to monitor how long is it going to take to get to this $2 level. That's $2. Right, so if Cardano can run early on in the bull market, and we are likely to put in all-time highs, I personally believe there's a high possibility that that's going to happen. High possibility that's going to happen. Cardano's got lots being built on it at the moment. A lot of people say it's a dead project, but it's got a lot being built on it at the moment. They're taking the time. Right, okay, so what levels are we looking for in extensions? 1618, you've got your 1272, and you've got your 2618. Those are the levels. What are those levels? Let's have a look. You've got your 1272. First extension level on Cardano. If Cardano puts in a new bull market high, $3.87. That's the 1272 retrace. Extension, should I say. Next level, 1618. Big 1618. $4.86. Big 1618. The next level, the 21618. This is going to be a big shot, guys. Don't expect it to go to $7.71. I'm not saying it can't go to $7.71, but I wouldn't expect it to go to $7.71. But we'll see. Who knows? So that's what I'm looking for on Cardano. I just want to show you guys, the market cycles are designed to make you have these emotions. These emotions are just not candles on a chart. Things are happening during this period. Luna's crashed. What kind of impact did that have on people that held Luna? Lots of people held Luna. It was about the third biggest cryptocurrency. What impact did it have of all those people that lost money? There's some bad things that happened to some of those people. And then other people that haven't got Luna, how do they feel about the market that could happen to them? People come out of altcoins, market crashes down, bang into the bear market, and then we've got a depression phase. Then you've got anger, then you've got panic, then you've got depression, and you've even got disbelief up here, guys. Before you get hope, before you get optimism, and before you start the new bull market rally. So the emotions are designed, the markets are designed to make you feel like this, guys. And unfortunately, retail aren't interested during anger phase, during panic phase, during depression phase. Retail's not interested. That's the build phase, guys. So if you did enjoy this video, guys, if you did learn anything, let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next. Check out my Crypto Bullseye playlist. I'll leave it at the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one.